Hey you guys and gals, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this short video, I just really wanted to record an overview of all the different types of domains that you can set up inside of your ClickHubs or your HighLevel account. There's a lot of different domains, anywhere from emails to funnels to your own branded domains to communities and a few more. So I just wanted to kind of give an intro to where all those are. We have separate videos on how to set up each one of those as well. But for a lot of you, you don't even know that these options exist. So this video specifically just gives you an overview of what those domain setups are and why you would want to set them up. So let's jump into it. Before we do, make sure to click that subscribe button and like this video. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll be sure to get back to you. So let's get straight to the video and I'll see you on the other side. In this video, I'm going to go over setting up domains inside of ClickHubs. So ClickHubs has quite a few different apps built into our platform, and because of that, we've got a lot of different places where we can set domains to give ourselves control over our branding and how the domains are working and things like that. And there's a lot of nuances here, so if you have a new domain, then you can just come here and set up everything from scratch. If you have an existing domain, you may have to do it a little bit different because you want to make sure you're not impacting your live website since you've already got set up, and so that's going to definitely be a deciding factor on how you set things up. In this case, we're working with an existing domain that is being used on another website on another platform currently, and so we're going to be setting up domains in a way that we want to make sure it's not interfering with those. And just as an overview, the places where we're going to be setting up domains, we're going to go into settings, and the first one we're going to work on is going to be our branded domain. So what the branded domain does is, if you are directly sharing links to things like your calendars, payment forms, regular forms or surveys, things like that, these are going to have a ClickHubs domain by default. So it's going to be link.clickhubs.io/your calendar or your form. So by setting up a branded domain, now it's going to use your own branded domain instead of using a ClickHubs domain. So that's going to allow you to have all of your generic links on the platform be using your brand instead of using our brand. So we're going to set that one up first. The next one we'll want to do is we're going to come into domains and we're going to set up a domain here, and these domains are for your websites and funnels. So you can have unlimited domains here and subdomains that you can use for different funnels and websites on the platform. After that, we're going to show you how to set up your email domains. This is very important because you want to make sure your emails are making it to the inbox. And one thing I recommend here that's very important is make sure whatever domains we're setting up here match your email. And so you should actually have a business domain, which should be at yourdomain.com. So for example, for ClickHubs, instead of tony@gmail.com or clickhubs@gmail.com, I want to make sure I have a tony@clickhubs.io email address. And so that way we can make sure that the email domain that we're setting up inside of ClickHubs matches that same domain. So you can see here, we've got a generic domain here. The problem is this domain is being shared by everybody on the platform, and so as some people are not using best practices and some people maybe even abusing it, that's going to impact your email sending. So you want to make sure right away that you come in here and set up your own dedicated domain, which is going to be used for sending emails via ClickHubs on your domain's behalf. Well, in the video when we get up setting that up, we'll talk more into details about why that's important and how to set it up, but I just want to show you this is where we're going to come to set that up. Also, we can come in here, and if we go into memberships, we have a full-on community platform, courses, and you can have your own private communities. And so this is where you can set those up. So if you come in here to settings, you can see we have the option of setting up subdomains and custom domains for our client portal, which is going to be where our memberships are hosted. We'll show our membership and show how our domains are set up when we get to this video on this setup as well. But you can see here we have a default subdomain. We're going to actually end up changing this, and then we're also going to make a custom domain that we can use that's going to be branded. And that's mainly it for the domains. There may be a couple other places, but these are the major ones we want to tackle. And so let's just head over into the first video and we'll show you how to set up your branded domain. So I'll see you over in the next video. All right, guys and gals, so hopefully you have a full understanding of all the different places you can set up your domains and why you would want to do that. And if you need help setting them up specifically, just search our YouTube channel or reach out to us. We have videos setting up each one of these different domains And so you can find a tutorial showing you exactly how to set up what you're looking for. So thanks for watching. Make sure to click the subscribe button and like the video, and I will see you in the next one.